Today we're going to be discussing the technology behind transparent LED screens, the tape LED. Nike's flagship store at Dubai Mall has got the attention of millions of visitors with an impressive piece of branding. Our team at Blue Rhine Industries was able to achieve this amazing installation of 23mm transparent LED screen, which not only looks amazing but also gives maximum transparency and be able to achieve unique content across the store facade. Tape LED have revolutionized lighting and display. The product now allows us to install transparent screens on curved surfaces, as well as it comes in much higher brightness and is also energy efficient. Tape LEDs come with an adhesive on the back. This allows for very easy installation. The biggest advantage is the fact that we can customize the size and shape to be able to achieve our client's intended design. The best part about this product is the fact that you can directly mount the screen onto your existing glass facade without having to make any changes to your fixtures or your structure that is already in place.